Hey everybody, this is Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy different cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. They're pretty popular now. It's one of the hot trending topics now, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So let's get right into the video. If you like it, please click subscribe down below and like the video. So let's get to it. So to buy Bitcoin or a couple of the other big ones, you're going to want to go to a website called Coinbase.com. I actually put the link down below. If you go through the link, you can get $10 free of Bitcoin. So, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to Coinbase.com and sign up. I'm already a member, but I'm going to just show you if I would click. You're just going to go there. You're going to sign up. You're going to sign up probably as an individual. You're just going to put your name, your email address, click your state, your robot, and you're going to create the account. And then it's going to have you verify your email address, and that's a very simple setup. And then once you create the account, you're going to log in, and this is going to be your dashboard. It's going to kind of show, like right now I've got it set on Bitcoin. You can buy 4 different types of cryptocurrency with Coinbase. I know there's lots of them out there, and I'm going to make other videos on how to buy those. But just to buy these 4 main ones, which are the big ones, you can buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. And they've got the little chart on each one here. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna need to fund your account. So you're gonna and what you're gonna do to you're gonna need to fund the account. So you're gonna need to go to settings, and in settings, there's a couple things. What you want to mainly do is go to the linked account, the security, where you can put in different security features. Like they have, you can have it like verify your phone number, you get your email. There's other different verifications to make your account more secure. I'm not going to go into them all, but you can, and they're pretty self-explanatory. You're going to go to linked account, and this is where you're going to link an account of how to fund your balance. So you can see if you're going to put link a new account. You can link a bank account, a debit card, or a wire transfer. Bank accounts take quite a while to actually happen. Like when I funded it the first time, it took 7 days. So I bought Bitcoin at a certain price. I funded it, and then it takes a while to actually show up. Where if you used like a debit or credit card, it would go a lot faster. But so that's just so you know. So you're gonna put your bank account information in here. Then when you're ready to buy, you can go to buy sell, and you're clicking on buy. And you can go on Bitcoin, any one of these here. Say we're doing Bitcoin. You can click your payment method. So you could also add your payment method here where it says add a new account. I've got my Bank of America bank account. You get your limits. Say if you're gonna put in, say, $250, it's gonna convert it to this, how much Bitcoin there is, 0.0285 Bitcoin. It's going to tell you here as your fees. It's only $2 fee. It's really pretty small. I mean, it's less than 1%. And you could repeat this buy if you want, and then you can just click buy Bitcoin, which I'm not going to buy it right now. I'm just going to show you what this is, what you would have to do. You click buy Bitcoin, and then once it goes through, remember if you use the bank account, it might take up to 7 days or so to actually show up in your account. If you use a credit card or something else, it could show up probably within that day. So that's just your preference. And that's how you would buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. I'm going to make another video on how to buy some of the other ones, but going through Coinbase is the first step always to do this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe and like, and you can check out my other videos, and have a good day. Thanks.